this brand called Kingkar Corporation is a very good brand for DPF. If you guys need any service like this, I totally recommend it.
Hi, my name's Darren. We're happy to be in cooperation with Kingkar. We were the first UK customers for Kingkar, and I can only give you a guarantee that their backup and support has been fantastic. We're just about to wash a DAF DPF filter this morning. Happy days, keep earning the money.
I'm Alex from Europe. Glad to cooperation with Kingkar. We are satisfied with the company service. Wish Kingkar do a good job in the future. Thank you.
Agora viene de festa, campanha do quarto.
Happy anniversary.